trade setups for today. So first and foremost, we have closed above this area of resistance, which has been a very strong area of resistance, and I suspect we are now going to flip this into support. So this area here is pretty much, get it for you now, it's 3159, 3160, pretty much in that area. So you can see there was a lot of interaction in the past year, and then recently we've had like 5 days over quite a long period where we've used that as resistance. We broke through yesterday with the gap up, and we closed up on our high. Now, closing on our high is always a bullish sign as well. Not too sure. Yesterday I was questioning whether it was a exhaustion bar or not. I don't think that's a scenario at the moment. We do have this bit of barbed wire here, which is indecision, and then we broke out, and this red bar here is pretty much after hours work. So that's happened after the bell closed. Why? No, don't know. Typical Asian session, pull back in the Asian session, and then the buyer step in, buying the value. Okay, so at the moment this is still a buy the dip market as far as I'm concerned, and now retest of this area would be very bullish for me to get in, to get into long. I am actually sitting long at the moment on this pair. Sorry, it's not a pair, is it? It's not for currency, but I'm sitting long on the S&P500 right now, and we did get our first target, which was pretty much the retest there. There was a second target. We got the second target as well, and what I'm looking for is this area up here. So I'm looking for 3214. I'll settle for 3,200 as well. That's a fairly decent round number. But yeah, that is my plan at the moment. What am I looking to do today? Probably looking to add to that position. And we'll wait and see what Europe actually brings for us at the moment. But just looking at the buyer stepping in here. Let me just use a block here. You can see all those tails there. That buyer's coming in off the bottom of a range. The bears are trying to push us down below this level, and they're trying to do it now while the volumes are thin. Again, that's just why we've got the sell-off. But for as long as we're staying above 3159, 3160, I am long. Okay, so let's just put that in there, that there. So that's kind of the scenario that we're looking at. If we just drill down to 15, what got me long? Pretty much just playing the bottom of the range here. So it's not a sure bet trade, so I'm not going to put it up on the Telegram channel because it's kind of a 50-50 trade as far as I'm concerned. So idea of the Telegram channel is to teach you guys to trade off structure. So this was a trade off structure, but at this moment in time, it's set at break even, just in case we break below the bottom of the range here. Okay, so that's my view at the moment here. We do have this magic gap to the downside, but often what happens is when you gap like this and you rally and then you start going sideways, the minute you start going beyond 20 bars on the 15, you start going up to the hour. I think it was up until there, probably that bar there. So that's 72 bars on the 15. If I come to the hour and you start measuring this, it's 16 bars, 18 bars. But anyway, the other thing to bear in mind here is this is a megaphone formation. There is the top of the megaphone, and there is the bottom of the megaphone. What has happened? We've broken the megaphone to the upside. So from a technical point of view, we should actually be looking for a long trade. On the bottom of the megaphone there to the upside, which is just above where my target area is. And if you look to the left to see what that is, you'll see that's my target area. There is the next level, which is what it's targeting. See these tails, tails, tails. Okay, so looking for longs, 3214 is first target, and 322 is the second target. We'll take profit in that zone anyway. because that's I'd expect the bears to come in and drive it down, probably come and test some of the breakouts, yeah, which would give us some extra opportunities to be long again. Okay, so that's pretty much what I have on the go this morning with the S&P 500. I'm looking for longs. I've been looking for longs all along, been trading this up, been quite profitable on it. So we still continue to look for longs at the moment. Anyway, I hope that helps you. If it does, give us a thumbs up. Drop us a comment. I do answer all the questions that get posted. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. We do this every morning, and hopefully you get some value out of it. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.